Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to a beautiful day in Houston, Texas. Today the weather is great. I wonder if this is what it's like in California every day. So today we will be working on the Lexus. Well, hey there, Smoochie. Having a good day? We'll go ahead and back out the Subaru and take it for a little ride. All right, well, we got her raised up, ready to go. So today we will be installing the Tom's middle underbrace. I think that's what it's called. It looks kind of like a dog bone. Definitely has some weight and girth to it. So hopefully it will make a difference on the road. And there it is installed. A little bit further back in the car than what I expected, so you may want to raise the rear of the car as well as the front, but it fits perfectly, just so you guys know. Very easy install and looks great with the Tom sticker. There is an existing brace that is already there, and this should help to strengthen it and help with the rigidity of the car when it's driving. Time for test drive! The ride actually becomes noticeably stiffer and stiffer with every Tom's brace that I add. I'm actually surprised this Tom's piece, it's so small, it really did make a difference. My guess, it's actually more of having a pair of underbody braces rather than just one. It probably wouldn't do that much in my opinion by itself, but definitely put together with the front one, there's a noticeable rigidity to the car. Changing lanes, it feels very direct. The body feels like it's moving as one piece. You know, I can feel my body's actually kind of shifting pretty hard with the seat. Turning, I don't think it makes that big of a difference, but definitely when you shift from side to side, I can feel the chassis. Acceleration feels about the same. I would definitely recommend, if you're gonna get this middle brace, to also get the front one as well. I just don't think it's gonna make that much of a difference without having two underbrace pieces installed. Beautiful day. It's like 75 degrees outside, clear sunny skies. I mean, it's amazing weather. All right, guys, well, I guess that's pretty much it. If you want to get some earlier updates, I did start a Instagram. All I got to do is, take a picture and then post it. All right, guys, have a great day. Talk to you later.